Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy infinity scarf. The supplies you are going to need is stretch knit fabric, matching thread, scissors or a rotary cutter to cut the fabric out, and a sewing machine. So here I have some stretch knit fabric that I got in the apparel section at Joann's, and I have it cut to 60 inches long by 30 inches wide. And if you can't find fabric that is 60 inches long, try and get as close as you can. To create our scarf, we need to take the two long edges of the fabric and attach them together by folding it in half, right sides together. And we're gonna match up the edges and clip them together. After it's all clipped together, I'm going to sew all the way across with a zigzag stitch or a serger. So here it is sewn together across the long edge. And now I'm going to take one end of it and pull it through just part way until my raw edges on the short ends line up. And I'm going to line these up and clip them together like I did with the long edge. I'm going to sew all the way around, leaving a 4-inch gap so I can turn it right side out. So here's my opening, and I'm going to turn the scarf all the way right side out. And you can see it makes a nice big tube. And now we're going to find that opening. And we're going to fold the raw edges in about 1/4 of an inch on each side, and then line them up and pin them together with the clips. Now I'm going to stitch about 1/8 of an inch from my folded edge. You could also sew this by hand if you don't want to see the seam, but this is going to be hidden pretty well. Here is my finished scarf. You can see the seam right here, but it's going to be on the inside and you won't be able to see it at all. And to wear it, you usually twist it and put it over your head twice.
Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our great sewing tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.